Okay, welcome to 977 McJon Lane. We're gonna focus on the interior of this home with this walkthrough. Just walk you up to the front door. And here we go. As you step in, you can see this beautiful warm entry flooring. And it opens up into an expansive living room here. Colors on this home are spectacular. Tons of light. Really beautiful ambient windows, letting the light in this room. Vaulted ceiling, of course. Beautiful. Let me just pan back so you can see the dining room area. And the slider off to the back porch. All the landscaping is in, fully fenced. Really, really pretty color scheme in this home. There's the eastern view on the side yard. Just to give it a little bit of a feel of the hardscape, outdoor living out there. Again, fully fenced, raised garden beds. The pantry is super, super deep. Great depth to that pantry. Clean. Backsplash is beautiful. Sunken sink. Okay. Let me just walk this living room a little bit just so you can kind of feel the space. I love that trim work on that wall. It's beautiful. And off the kitchen, we got the laundry center. Again, great space, folding table, hanging uppers. And cubbies. Perfect. This has an oversized 3-car garage. You can see the effort that they put into the storage racks up above. So there's a full 2-car, and there's the 3rd car with a deep 3rd car option for the workspace. High ceilings, lots of room. Heated, insulated, perfect garage. All right, back into the cubby area and living room. Again, laundry here to the left. Okay, let me just pan this really quick here and we'll go to the master. Hopefully you can feel what that vault feels like. It's tall and nice. Oversized newel posts on the stairs. And directly to the left is the master. Bathroom there, full. Bedrooms 1 and 2, so the 3-bed on the main. Just really quickly show you the full bath. And the shower is full. Full surround tile. Almost a subway tile, but a little bit oversized. Really pretty. Moen fixtures. And let's step into the bedrooms. First bedroom here on the left. Really good sized room. You got closet savers in the closet. Everything's fully organized. And to the left here, second bedroom. Really nice space. Pretty. All right, I'm just going to pan left again, and we'll go to the master. So you can get a feel for the master bedroom. It's got a really pretty trade ceiling with recessed lighting. You can see the size of this room. That's a full king bed, and there's, you know, five feet both sides of that bed, just to give you a feel for the space. Really pretty, gorgeous room. And into the master bathroom. Behind that door right there is the toilet. You can see the walk-in shower behind the Euro glass. Soaker tub and dual vanity. Back up into the closet here so you can get a better feel for the, again, just the space of this room. And there's so much glare off this glass. Let me just open this up so you can get a feel for the shower and the size. Really large shower. Fully tiled. Super pretty. Everything is so well kept. It's a gorgeous home. Walk-in closet. Let me just pan left really quick here. Just look inside. Enclosed bathroom and deep walk-in closet. All right, so back into master, and 2 beds, 1 bath there. Stairs, living room, kitchen. I'll take a left turn here and we will have a look at the basement. This is fully finished down here. Really nice high ceilings. You can see this living room again has daylight windows. So even though you are set in a little bit, it doesn't feel like a basement. You can see ground level is below the windows quite a ways. So your ambient light is just perfect in here. You have a room right there just right of the base of the stairs. It's a bedroom, but they've been using it as more of an office space. So this is, again, full walk-in closet right here. Again, very deep, very organized, and more of a craft room, man cave, but it is a bedroom. Back into the living room. You can see this large room. Lots of space down here. Everything that they have here is just so clean and precise. It just looks so nice. And directly left of the large living room, family room area is storage. Again, very deep. And under the stairs, cannot forget, we have this little kids' playroom under the stairs. All right, panning one more time left, down the hallway, and you can see bedrooms right here. This is a full closeted room. So this would be the second bedroom downstairs. And third bedroom. So we could really quantify this home as a 6 bedroom, 3 on the main and 3 downstairs. Really nice walk-in closet in this room as well. All the closets are really deep. Lots of space. And across the way, just have a look at the storage rooms. This is directly across the hall. Just more storage. And I'm going to pan to the right. And we have a full bathroom. Tile floors. Again, tile surround on the tub shower. I'm just going to open this up so you can feel these colors and how they blend together. Really, really pretty. Okay. So we've already looked in this storage room here. The next room is a utility. And we've got dual water heaters with a on-demand hot, gas manifold, soft water system, and furnace, AC. This is a beautiful home. If you are interested in previewing this home in person, please give us a call at 208-356-7300 with the Countrywide Properties Group, Keller, Williams, Realty, East Idaho, www.eastidahorealestate.com. We'll look forward to showing this home in person. Thanks for taking the virtual tour.